Hello, tea enthusiasts. Welcome back to Naturalhub. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of tea. If you're a beginner or just looking to expand your tea horizons, you're in the right place. We'll be exploring various types of tea, discussing their flavors, origins, and brewing techniques. So grab your favorite mug, sit back, and let's get started. Black tea. Our first stop on this tea journey is black tea. Known for its bold flavors and rich colors, black tea is a classic favorite. It's fully oxidized, giving it a robust taste. Popular varieties include Assam, Darjeeling, and Earl Grey. Now, let's brew a perfect cup of black tea. Green tea. Next up, we have green tea, celebrated for its freshness and health benefits. Green tea is minimally oxidized, preserving its vibrant color and delicate taste. Sencha, matcha, and dragonwell are among the many green tea varieties. Let's explore the art of brewing green tea for an optimal experience. Oolong tea. Moving on to oolong tea, which falls between black and green tea in terms of oxidation. Oolong teas offer a diverse range of flavors, from floral and fruity to creamy and toasty. Tai Guan Yin, Wei Rock, and Dong Ding are some popular oolong varieties. Let's uncover the nuances of oolong tea brewing. White tea now. Let's explore the elegance of white tea. Minimal processing characterizes white tea, allowing it to retain delicate flavors and natural sweetness. Silver Needle and Bai Mudan are well-known white tea varieties. Join me as we delve into the gentle art of brewing white tea. Tea lovers, that concludes our journey through the diverse world of tea. Whether you prefer the boldness of black tea, the freshness of green tea, the complexity of oolong, or the delicacy of white tea, there's a tea type for everyone. Experiment with different varieties, brewing methods, and don't forget to share your favorite tea experiences in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tea content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy sipping.